When I was locked up, I couldn't wait to get loose. Cause back in the days, on the side where it's at, a nigga had to have a fat stack, and I was a fool. Don't make me have to grab my strap and go rat-tat-tat-tat, nigga. Slap to a motherfucker face he fall. Can't none of y'all niggas see the dog at dog. Cause I'm one rude boy coming with the wickedness. So shut the fuck up and listen while I'm kicking it.